Okay, so the second chapter in our supplementary reader is a thief's story. Okay, so here with the writer, a thief's story, written by Vaidasili. Vaidasili is a citizen of India. No, he is citizen of India. Ruskin Bond is a citizen of India. He is Dehradun and written a lot of stories for children. Actually, उनका जो बेस था, actually his father came from England during the British regime, but his father perhaps married a woman from Punjab and they settled here, and he is living in Dehradun. He has built his own house, though he has perhaps not married. He is not married, but he has perhaps adopted some child, I think. Just go through his biography. So he is in Dehradun, and Ruskin Bond here writes about a riveting story, interesting story, in which the narrator is the thief, not the person who is here the gentleman. And two characters हैं, and one is Anil and another is a pseudonym, that is Harish. So Anil, what was his age?
About 25.
Yes, about 25, and this fellow
15.
And how was the physique of Anil? Anil का body कैसे था? Long, tall, thin, yes? He was long, tall. And this fellow is what? 10 years younger than Anil. And what was going on when Harish or the thief meets Anil for the first time? What was going on? A wrestling competition or a wrestling tournament of match was going on. Wrestling चल रहा था, वहाँ मिल गया. So what was the first impression of the thief about Anil? क्या सोचा अनिल के बारे में? कैसा आदमी लगा? How did he think about? What did he think about Anil?
That he might be a wrestler.
No, wrestler. Yes, he might be a wrestler. No doubt, he might be a wrestler or he is a person interested in wrestling. That's a different question.
Kind and simple.
He found or he perceived Anil to be kind, a very simple man, and apt one, perfect one, befitting one for his profession, because he hadn't tried his successful hand for quite long time. बहुत दिन से अच्छे से कहीं से हाथ नहीं मारा था ये. कौन? The thief. So he find this fellow Anil to be a perfect man, to whom he could make fool easily, that easily. And what were the techniques employed by the thief to lure into trap this fellow? He started his flattery. बातचीत किया, तारीफ किया unnecessarily, तारीफ किया, adulations, flattery. Then thought you have good build up, you should be have been a wrestler. ये सब बोला. Anyway, Anil was a very cunning person, though he didn't outwardly didn't seem like that, but he was a very intelligent fellow. Anil was. He could guess everything. Still, because he was living perhaps lonely, wanted a company perhaps, or whatever with that. This fellow Hari Singh wanted to help him. wanted to offer help, that too with a different intention. Stealing के intention से हरीश बोला मैं तुम्हारे काम में आ सकता हूँ, कुछ करता हूँ, मदद करूँगा. But then he asked, do you know how to cook food? Yes. Okay, yes, I know how. But whatever he prepared, how was the food the fellow prepared? Hari Singh. How was the food? Food कैसा था? That was not just enough. How do you know? Because Anil threw our food to the street dogs, for the street dogs. So it was very evident and clear that the food Anil prepared was not of good taste, and that fellow didn't know how to. Hari Singh को नहीं आता था खाना बनाना. But why did he say that he could make food? Because he wanted to steal money from Anil. Anyway, Anil assured that he will teach cooking. सिखाऊंगा. It shows that Anil was a very generous person, helpful person, and was company loving, sociable. And from the beginning, I guess कि अनिल को पता था कि ये ठीक है. Anyway, where was Anil living? Anil was living on the first floor of Jamuna Sweet Store, perhaps. एक पूरा Jamuna Sweet Store वहाँ रहता था. And he gave shelter to this fellow Hari Singh, the stranger till now. Not much detail is given here. The stranger. Okay. So this fellow, but at the same time, whenever Anil sent Hari Singh to buy some supplies for his house, he used to make 1 rupee whenever he went daily, and he was happy. He was getting 1 rupee, but still he wanted to do a bigger thing. And in the chapter we get a brief description about the profession of Anil. What was the profession of Anil? How did he earn? He was a writer. He used to earn money by writing for magazines. लिखा हुआ फिट्स एंड स्टार्ट्स. फिट्स सेंटर में बहुत मेहनत से इक्का दुक्का कभी कभार होता है, नॉट डेली. ही वाज नॉट ऑन सैलरी और रेम्यूनरेशन. ही अर्न some days not. Anyway, he was living his own life, and in between Hari Singh plans to rob Anil, and there is a statement given. It is very easy to rob a greedy man. It is very easy to rob a greedy man, and difficult to rob a careless man, and almost impossible to rob a man who is trusting. नहीं लिखा पता नहीं. तो greedy man को rob करना क्यों पसंद है? Because conscience never come on any way. जो conscience है ना, greedy man है वो क्या गुस्सा होगा, थोड़ा मजा मिलेगा. You will as a thief you will enjoy. If any person becomes angry, गुस्सा होगा, मजा conscience को obstacle नहीं होगा. Careless man को थोड़ा difficult है, ठीक है. लेकिन जो फेलो है काफी ट्रस्ट है उसके ऊपर, that will become very difficult to rob because trust broken होगा, and that's the thing is proved here. Trust को break करना very difficult है. So what happens after a few days? The day comes when Anil earns 600 rupees. That too in 50 rupees note, 1250 rupees note. He keeps it under the mattress. अपने सोने का जो mattress था उसके नीचे रख दिया. And this fellow Hari Singh saw this happening, and he makes his plan that he will rob the money from Anil. So one night 10 बजे लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस था, तो उससे पहले ये प्लानिंग किया था चुराने के लिए. तो दैट मीन्स दैट अनिल used to, maybe थक जाता होगा, maybe whatever the reason not given, but जब भी whenever he got salary he used to spend money lavishly with friends. जल्दी खा पी के मस्ती करके कहीं से खा के खिला पिला के आ गया होगा एटलीस्ट. तो लगभग 9 बजे या 10 बजे से पहले हरि सिंह plans to steal the money. He robs the money, steals the money, and directly moves to railway station where he had planned to catch aboard the Lucknow Express. Lucknow Express में जाना था. Actually, when he reached the train was still there, just started moving. He could have easily टिकट लिया नहीं. कभी जिंदगी में टिकट लेता नहीं था, क्योंकि वाजिब ना टिकट लेके क्या करेगा. So the train had started moving. He could have easily boarded the train, but something inside him, maybe you can say conscience. His conscience rose. He was conscience stricken. That's why he didn't board the train. Thought about the help Anil had extended for his betterment. That's like teaching, writing, learning. पहले से पढ़ा रहा था, खाना भी पढ़ना सीखा, and then we taught him learning letters. So something called him within. He was conscience stricken. His soul raised to a different level. He thought that if I steal and go away, then the trust of Anil Singh will be trust of Anil will be broken. Again, second, he was learning, and once he became a learned man, he will become respectable. He will live a respectful life. So that became enchanting. And what he was doing was morally incorrect, and he became conscience stricken. So he came back. It was raining. The money he carried became damp with rainwater falling. He came back and put with difficulty, because stealing is easier, but putting things again at that place is difficult. He put in the money, and the next morning, perhaps Anil had noticed that his money was stolen, but he hadn't said anything. The next morning, Anil gave a 50 rupees note to Hari Singh, and the note was really damp. इसको पता चला कि अनिल को पता हो गया होगा, डैम था, एंड परहाप्स ये चुराया था, देखा था, सीन इट, विटनेस्ड इट, दैट्स व्हाई ही इज सेंडिंग पीपल. इससे पहले कोई सैलरी तक नहीं दिया था, खिलाता सैलरी तक नहीं दिया था, अब दे रहा है. दैट मीन्स दिस फेलो ऑलरेडी नोज इट. बट द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट अनिल didn't show any expression. There was not an iota of expression in his face that he knew that Hari Singh had stolen. That is the speciality of. उसको लगा नहीं, वैसे चेहरा बनाया नहीं, वो ही न्यू कि हरि ने चुराया था, वैसा बनाया नहीं. As if he acted as if he knew nothing, जैसे उसको पता नहीं था. And this fellow, Hari Singh also realized the mistake he had committed, and in the end, it is given in the description that Hari Singh gave an appealing smile, and the smile actually came naturally because he had met a person who had changed his life. Okay. And a new life he was going to live because he had already decided to spend the life at least till he learns the language perfectly enough. Okay. So that was the change we notice in the story. Questions may be of various kind. There may be character sketch of Anil. The changes that was brought in the life of Hari Singh, the schemes of the thief, ये भी हो सकता है. Again, a question that may ask, was Anil a poor man? Give your views, comment. Yes, Anil may be financially poor, no doubt. He was living, earning his money by bits and stuff. But he was never poor from his heart. He was a rich man from his heart, because though he was living in scarcity, he had given shelter to a stranger man. He helped him learn the alphabets of language. Okay. He also knew that Hari Singh was making money every day during his errands of shopping trips. Still he didn't say. Even on the last day he handed over 50 rupees, and he stuck by his promise that he would have Anil learn cooking and learning the language. So it shows that he has a very wide heart. He was not a narrow-minded person. So financially, though we may call he was a little poor, but he was rich when we see his art, or we take a glance in his or on his art. ये टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. एंड सम क्वेश्चंस बुक में से है कि डू यू थिंक दैट दिस स्टोरी इज टू बी रियल, या फिक्टिशियस है, दुनिया में ऐसे लोग रहते हैं क्या? यस, पीपल डू, ह्यूमैनिटी नेवर डाइज. ये सब लिख सकते हैं आराम से. ठीक है. तो मैं क्वेश्चंस बहुत बना लिया हूँ उसके लिए. आई विल बी शेयरिंग दोज क्वेश्चंस टुडे. जो तुमको लगा कि डिफिकल्ट है, यू मे ट्राई एंड सेंड मी सो दैट आई कैन चेक एंड करेक्ट एंड गिव सजेशन. ओके.